Good morning. Today's date is October 7th, 2021. We're starting off with our weather satellite here in the morning. We can see a lot of high cloud activity over the majority of California here. I'm not showing the northern part because it kind of cuts off and we're not going to get to see any of the color here. This part right here is very high altitude. You can see during the IR portion of it that it's really bright white, indicating that it is some of the coldest, so it's going to be a higher level cloud. We can see down here off the coast of California there's this really dark gray, which is going to represent lower clouds, specifically the marine layer just off the coast. And then we can see some lower level clouds over here, which is where there's going to be a little bit of precipitation. If we take a look at our METAR, we can see that Bakersfield is actually reporting sky clear. This means that the clouds that we're seeing are probably above 12,000 feet. As for the current winds right now, we can see winds are from 140 at 5 knots with 6 miles of visibility. Temperatures 17, dew point 8. Take a look at the TAF for Bakersfield. We can see that winds will be variable at 4. And there's a scattered layer at 10,000 feet, and then a broken layer at 20,000 feet. So that's probably the clouds that we saw on the satellite there. Looks like that scattered layer and broken layer will stay, and then that broken layer will actually come down by 030 Zulu right there. Fresno's reporting a broken layer at 20,000 feet as well. And I guess we can start looking at our flight category. So, no air mets for icing, no air mets for IFR off the coast. We just have a little bit of mountain obscuration for that little bit of marine layer we saw right here, mountain obscuration by clouds and fog. We have turbulence right here, moderate turbulence from 21,000 to 37,000 feet, so no concern to us. Take a look at the Weather Prediction Center. We can actually see that we have rain up here by Sacramento, just above Fresno, representing this larger green area here. And then in this blue area we have mixed precipitation. Going all the way over here we have rain/thunderstorms along with this stationary front right here. Passing through central California we have this cold front. It's hitting us first before it'll pass down and hit places like LA and Long Beach, Riverside, that area. And then we have a low pressure center to our southeast. If we take a look at our winds here, we can see that as of 13Z, winds are predominantly out of the northwest, it looks like. If we take a look at our surface winds, pretty much calm up until 5,000 feet when we get significant wind at 300 at 5 knots. And until we get to about 8,000 feet, where increases to 7 knots from 220, and then up near, say 10,000 feet, it's 210 at 20, which looks like it's the most that we're going to see in an altitude that we can fly at. We can see the circles here representing pretty much wind calm. 22Z, let's actually do 19Z. See 19Z, winds at 3,000 feet are from 250 at 1 knot, pretty much calm up to 3,000 feet. Around 5,000 feet we're looking at light and variable, and around 10,000 feet is when the wind starts to pick up. We can see the wind is from 170 at 17 knots. Still prevailing from the northwest. Well, that's it for this morning's weather brief. Sorry, northeast. Please make sure you get an updated weather brief before your flight, and have a wonderful day.